It's good to see you on this Monday. I'm Tom Warbeck, and we'll start off with breaking news. The U.S. Court of Federal Claims has ruled against Chrysler dealers who lost franchises during the automaker's bankruptcy. The court says the retailers failed to establish that the federal government forced Chrysler into using bankruptcy as a means to terminate them. Dealers had asked the court to award them the fair value of their stores when franchises were terminated in May of 2009. Requests for damages range from $524,000 to $8.8 million per rooftop among the 7 model plaintiffs. If the dealers had succeeded, the court could have ordered the U.S. Treasury to pay as much as $850 million to terminated dealers. The nearly 300 dealers who joined the lawsuit waited nearly a decade for the matter to go to trial. An attorney for the dealers says they plan to file an appeal. For years now, many Jeep Wrangler fans have been clamoring for a diesel-powered version of the vehicle. Well, it arrives in showrooms soon. The model is equipped with a third-gen 3-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine. Production of the SUV is expected to start this month. It'll go on sale by the end of the year as a 2020 model. Jeep execs aren't sharing any sales goals, but they tell our Vince Bond that the brand will build as many diesel Wranglers as people want. In fact, Jeep believes it can take diesel mainstream. The Wrangler's chief engineer says the diesel version, quote, could easily be an everyday driver. For example, engineers added a new acoustic package inside the engine bay to keep the chatter of the diesel engine outside the vehicle. However, Auto Forecast Solutions VP Sam Fiorani predicts the diesel version will make up 5 to 10% of the model mix. Through September in the U.S., the Wrangler is the second best-selling Jeep vehicle behind the Grand Cherokee. Jeep hasn't revealed fuel economy figures yet, but the marque believes the mileage will grab the attention of those who haven't owned diesel vehicles before. The online shopping experience offered by the majority of U.S. dealerships fails to meet customer expectations. That's according to a new survey of 1,000 automotive consumers by marketing tech firm Affinitive. 76% of recent vehicle buyers say it is important for the store's website to be personalized. However, only 26% of respondents agreed that dealerships provide a highly personalized online experience. The study found predictive personalization, or the ability to forecast the actions of users based on their previous online behaviors, is the key to making that happen. When customers were asked what part of the website experience they wanted dealers to personalize, the top items were vehicles of interest, vehicle features, and vehicles within a certain budget. Late last month, we told you Tesla started producing vehicles on a trial basis at a new factory in China. We now know what those cars look like. Bloomberg reports the first Model 3 sedans came in blue and were emblazoned with the brand name in Chinese characters. A few reporters were invited to test drive the vehicles last week. The cars were assembled at Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory, which only broke ground in January. Tesla is working with local regulators to obtain manufacturing certification in hopes to get it by year end. First Shift with Jennifer Vaughn comes your way first thing tomorrow morning. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow afternoon.